Bueno, compas, as promised, I'm gonna start working on that swivel jaw. Gotta get that big boy out of there, move all this mess. Hey, check out my boy's channel. Check him out on Instagram too. Here we go. $196. Threads in there look pretty good. Woo! This kind of feels like when I got my papers. That right there is what success looks like. Oh, that's beautiful. All right, we got some great weather today, so we're gonna take this puppy outside now. This is my outdoor vise, a good old Japanese 6-inch, I think. I don't have a problem leaving this one outside. This one could get rusted, stolen, rained on. It's not gonna hurt me as much. This is my outdoor ambo right here. I'm not gonna put a good ambo out here. I've seen a couple of you guys don't grind down the bottom part of the slide. If you don't grind it down, you won't get that smooth slide. A couple of you guys forget about this. This is very important. This is where the grease slide. You want to have a clean, smooth area. All right, just got done with the wire wheel. I'm gonna be filling in all the small gaps with some JB weld. I seen some of you guys use Bondo. Well, Bondo's just to fill. It's a filler. This is a glue. So an epoxy. And it's meant to be used for metal too. So this should work better than Bondo. And I wanted to show you guys my phone holder. Wilton power arm with the 3D printed bullet vise. And you know, I like to use it to watch this guy on YouTube. I think he goes by Mexa Shop. Yeah, he makes some cool videos, guys. And so I'm gonna be filling those holes here. Oh, don't mind that. This one's always get on the way. You'll see those a lot. Here we go. Like I said, I just want to cover the big ones. I don't mind all the little ones. That gives the vise some character there on the jaws. I could grind that really smooth and shiny like I done on the past with a couple other ones. But for the big boys, I don't want them that shiny or that elegant. And I learned that with the big Holland 18. I did that one way too pretty. Now I don't want to use it. So that's not the plan from now. That's about to change from now on. So that's how you learn, guys. Okay, I'll let that dry 24 hours. I'll come back tomorrow, sand it down. I'm gonna do a Donnie special here. Okay, just finished sanding it down. Just wiping it down with some lacquer thinner. Make sure it's clean before I spray it down. I'm gonna mask all this area. Keep the paint from going in there where the jaw swivels, and for the pin obviously. So let's get on it. Okay, got it ready for paint. Cover up the screw holes with some just a piece of rag, the hole for the pin. Make sure you cover the back part of the slide, and this side too. I just use some cardboard, and let's see, I'm gonna be using dark gray. Oh, and this guy gives great financial advice. I think he goes by Mexa Shop, so on YouTube. All right, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the letters. I'm gonna do in white. These markers work really great, and they're pretty simple to use. Just make sure you don't push them too much, or you'll get too much paint on them. So let's get to it. Then you just pull it that way up through. Okay. All right. Here we go. All the way, my love. Ahí está bien. Thank you. Hey, we got it. Look how smooth that is. It's heavy. It's beautiful. This little table right here is one of the best investments you guys can make for the shop. They're awesome. Alright, so before I finish the handle, I need to do something about the collar. This is the original one, and it fits perfect, but it's broken. There's a piece missing. And I had this one cast out of brass, but holes don't match. I need to go lower and to the center. So I could make a hole on the middle and just drill in top and put a new screw on it, but I don't think one bolt is gonna be enough, so I'm gonna have to do something about that. Well, let's get on it. Alright, I have it set up on my homemade milling machine, which is basically a magnetic drill on a metal base, on a magnetic door opener base, and it's on a vise with the vise stand. And here's my transformer. So when I turn this on, I can magnetize any metal piece that I put on here. So let's see what happens. Alright, got her in. Not perfect, but it's gonna do for now. Not too bad. Got the handle all cleaned up. I have a little bit of grease. You don't want to get too crazy with the grease. That should be enough for the whole bolt. I almost forgot the bolt. Just gonna give it a little bit of cleaning with the belt sander. Another one in the books. These big vices are not easy to move around. Appreciate the love from you guys. If you could like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave some good feedback, bad feedback, anything's welcome. I wanted to show you guys a little something my boy made for me in the process of me fixing this vise. Check this out, guys. He made me a Lego swivel jaw vise. Never seen one of those, and I know you guys haven't either, so I figure I'd share with you guys. How cool is that? Well, put her up here. There she is. Next video, I'm gonna be making a vise stand, either for the 8-inch leg vise or one of the big 8-inch bench vises that I have. So stay tuned. Thanks for the love.